Alright, last time the car broke, it was, the clutch was completely burnt out, needed to be replaced, so a whole bunch of parts were replaced related to the clutch. Then I got the car back and was driving fine, but it was squeaking. That was the throwout bearing needing new grease, some more grease on it, which was funny because it was a brand new, like, you know, throwout bearing and the fork that, like, holds it. But it's all good. We're back in the car. It's drivable. I'm going to head off to work, and guess what? I turned off the GPS's voice. So now we don't have to worry about that being annoying, and I don't have to talk over any voices. All right. In the meantime, let's get out of here. Oh, and also, obviously you guys didn't catch this. Two funny things. Oh gosh, the clutch is a lot lighter now, though, so I have to get used to that. So I'm probably gonna burn up the clutch a lot as a going away present. Oh gosh. However, it's very cool to be back in the car. But yeah, I got into the car, started it up, and I started it up, and took my foot off the clutch, and the car jolted forward because the mechanic had turned the car off with the car still in gear. I always park and put it in neutral and pull up the handbrake. So I wasn't expecting that at all. And also the seat was pulled really far back, which always jars me because no one else ever drives this car, so the seat's never adjusted. Oh man. Woo! But yeah, we're making more of these videos. The last few episodes I think turned out okay. The audio was all over the place. I figured out how I think I figured out how to improve that. As you guys can see, I'm not recording with a GoPro just yet, so we'll probably have another episode or so, another month or so where we're using just the glasses. But at some point, I am going to get a GoPro. That is something I've decided I'm going to do, hopefully. But I still need to scrounge up a little bit more money together before I do that, because you know that's an expensive purchase. And but yeah. So I'm feeling very good. Glad I have the car back. I'm driving to work now. Yeah, let's see what happens. Here's a nice Mercedes coming up. Oh, lock the doors. I've been driving other people's cars for the most part for like that last week or so. I was driving a 2008 Toyota Camry, which obviously is a nice car, but it doesn't feel as stable as this car, and it's hilarious because I'll be I'll be driving like this with one hand on the steering. Yes, I know, both hands on the steering wheel. But when you get bored or try to relax or kind of get comfortable and you have one hand on the steering wheel, you know, in this car, that feels super stable no matter what speed you're going. In the Camry, it's not so much. It's front wheel drive, doesn't have the same kind of drivetrain that's super like well engineered, I guess. And so in this car, you just feel super safe and super stable no matter what you're doing, unless if you're going 140 miles an hour or something. So yeah, that's an interesting thing. Ooh. And also the tires in the Camry spin a lot more easily. And I'm not saying that because I would floor it on purpose. I'm saying I gave it I somehow would give it enough throttle that it would spin, which was so funny because it's like, why are you spinning? I'm not flooring it, I swear. Oh man, it was funny. But yeah. And so now, obviously, as I said before, I'm trying to get used to the brand new clutch, because the other clutch grabbed a lot harder and was a lot more aggressive feeling. With this, it's super soft and the grabbing point isn't as obvious, which I think is hilarious. So who knows, maybe the last owner of the car really drove this car super hard, like harder than me. Who knows? And I probably don't drive this car that hard in the broad spectrum of things. I just realized it's been a long time since we've had like a proper drive on a highway. Is that a Ford Raptor? Oh, that was a Raptor. So, I don't know about you guys, but I actually really like the idea of having these videos be released every other day, like how I did for the entire month of April. So, I feel like I'm going to do that, just so you guys have more videos a week, like this, and also along with my gaming videos and other stuff and vlogs. So yeah, I like the idea of doing that. And I might also do every other day uploads of my Ark Survival series. Who knows when those are the every other day schedule is going to start, because I've already scheduled 11 videos that are going to be posted weekly. So we'll see. At least I'm not doing monthly uploads. Ugh. That would drive me nuts. But yeah, I've scheduled a ton of videos to be released. Like right now, not too long ago, my 100th video, yay, was posted. And now I think we're at 101 videos. And my phone is dinging. There we go. I've silenced my phone without actually looking at the phone. That way I'm still watching the road so that I know if anything happens. But anyways, probably not smart even to do that, but I didn't want to have my phone dinging in the background and distracting me. Uh-oh. I can hear a slight noise coming from the engine bay. That's not good. If I give it gas, though, it doesn't make that noise, but so it's obviously when certain things are touching. Let's slow down. Woo. Oh man, something in that engine bay is making noises, but I don't know what the heck it is. When I push in the clutch a little bit, the noise will stop. So they figured it was just the throwout bearing and stuff. They said that it was quiet, and now as I start to drive a little bit, it's suddenly not. Oh well, I will give them a call after work. There's not much I can do about it now. Oh, it looks like we're getting onto an even possibly busier road or bigger road. What the heck is this vehicle? Oh my gosh. Umbrella Corporation. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. That was so funny. I swear, I have no idea how clearly you guys saw that, but that entire car apparently was a freaking Resident Evil reference. That is so funny. The zombies are coming. It's a zombie, Francis. Well, at least I'm back in the car, and it's driving fine, so I'm sure it's okay. You know, it's not likely it's gonna break down or anything like that. I know that. So at least it's driving all right. It's a good thing I haven't done any crap to it yet, because then who knows? I could really start confusing people and make it even more difficult to diagnose what the heck the problem is. Well, I guess wow, this exit lane started really early. I wasn't expecting that to be where I had to go, but apparently I do. Okay. Almost missed a gear there and probably almost nearly grinded some crap. I don't even know if you guys can... You probably can't hear that. What? Where the fuck do I go from here? That is unclear. I guess... Oh, this is weird. It looks like when there aren't cars going this way, I go through here and go over there. Okay. Can you hear that? You might be able to hear that. You guys remember what it was like to watch me try and downshift from second to first? Well, here we go. Huh. That was fine. I guess. I was kind of hoping the light was going to go red so that I could do that again. Oh well. What? Oh, he's collecting, like, trash and stuff. I was wondering what that guy was like. What the heck is he doing there? Because I thought the thing in his hand was a fishing pole for some reason. Oh, man. Yeah, I don't know what the sound could be. I don't know. It'll be figured out at some point. Can you guys hear that? Have a look at this quickly. Let's have a look at this. Sounds like it's... Sounds like it's coming from this area right here. But I don't know what's right there, so I don't know what's down there. Apparently the turbo is underneath everything, like at the bottom, near the bottom of the car, not up top, so that's only visible if I had it like on a lift. Oh, how can I help you? All right, well, we'll deal with that some other time.